So today I'm joined with Sarah Moore, a home loan specialist here at Lendy, to discuss with us what's currently happening on the market and whether it is a good time to be fixing your interest rate in 2021. So welcome, Sarah.
Thank you.
Let's jump straight into it. I've seen that many fixed rates are lower than variable rates these days. This is certainly a new trend that has only been happening since March rate cut last year. So can you shed some light on why this is the case at the moment?
Yeah, sure. So, traditionally fixed rates for home loans have sat slightly higher than variable rates, but right now many lenders are offering lower fixed rates. This is mainly because brokers were able to access cheap funding for 3 years through the Term Funding Facility, which is also known as TFF. Another factor is also high lender competition in 2021. So lenders are realizing that most Australians are not content with staying on an average or subpar home loan for years. So ultimately, in this volatile economy, lenders are hoping to secure revenue for longer by offering extremely low fixed interest rates that lock in customers for a set period of time.
Now, what are some of the top rates in the market, would you say, for both variable and fixed, both from the banks and non-bank lenders?
Yeah, look, so for fixed rates, the big four are offering rates from, as low as 1.79% for 2 years and with cashback. And some smaller lenders like UBank are offering pretty low rates, like 1.75 fixed for a year. So there's some pretty low rates when fixed rates are considered. For variable rates, rates are sitting around 2% for owner occupier and 2.5% for investment loans. Be careful with banks offering low rates. The wait list can take up to a few months due to the competitiveness and the volume of loan applications that are being submitted to those lenders.
Yeah, right. And I guess that would be great to speak to a financial advisor or mortgage broker before customers are making a decision to fix in their interest rate or.
Yeah, absolutely. We always recommend speaking to a financial consultant or a mortgage broker just to determine, what suits you best and what's your financial goals.
Fantastic. And Sarah, what's your opinion on fixing the interest rate on your home loan in 2021? Do you think that's worthwhile for them?
Look, it's appealing to those wanting to take advantage of the current low interest rates. Fixing your interest rate will give you a lot more security and the comfort of knowing exactly how much you'll owe each month. The RBA have stated that they don't intend on changing the cash rate for another 3 years. That's due to Australia continuing its post-pandemic economic recovery. So borrowers may be able to wait and fix their interest rates later if they are concerned about rising interest rates. But beware of features and limitations of fixed rates. For example, most fixed rates won't offer offset accounts. But if you are thinking of going variable, then you should be aware that it's common for lenders to sporadically introduce low interest honeymoon rates and deals for short periods of time. And those interest rates may rise to account for rising costs on their end. So, I would advise that you should speak to your bank or financial advisor to understand what the best option is for you.
Now, just one last question. How easy is it to switch between a variable and a fixed interest rate, would you say, and how fast is the process?
It depends on what the customer's situation is. If they're on a fixed interest rate now, then it's likely that there's a break fee that will be applied. So all fixed rates, if someone was to exit a contract before that fixed term period expires, then there is a break fee. So that might be a bit of a roadblock. However, for a variable interest rate, it's really quick and easy. Customers switch lenders all the time, and it can take 4 to 6 weeks for settlement to occur. And within that time frame, it might be like 1 or 2 repayments, but after that, then they can see themselves saving a significant amount of money if they do refinance.
Yeah, fantastic. And I guess also with the digitization of the application process and with the help of online home loan platforms nowadays, refinancing would be done so much easier as well. Could take, like you said, as little as sort of 3 to 4 weeks. Thanks, Sarah, for being here today and sharing with us some of your top tips and insights on variable and fixed rates in 2021.
Great. Thanks so much. Thanks for having me.
If you're currently in the market to refinance or fix your interest rate, you can compare rates from over 35 different lenders and apply online directly through our online platform at lendy.com.au. We also have a team of home loan specialists who can assist you guys at every step of the way. So if you're looking for more information on finding a good home loan rate. You can also check out our video here where we will share our top tips on how you can secure your best home loan rate in 2021.